Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. Here at EON, we show you what ingredients you need, how to make it, how to use it, and most interestingly, how it all works. So join us as we discover ways to heal that have been around longer than you've been alive. NAIL fungus. Ingredients: 10 drops of tea tree oil, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 2 cloves of garlic. Instructions: in a bowl, mix the coconut oil and tea tree oil. Ensure the coconut oil is in a liquid state. If it's solid, warm it slightly to melt. Crush the garlic cloves into a paste. How to use it: ensure the nail area is clean and dry. Soak the nails in apple cider vinegar for 15-20 minutes. Rinse and dry when done. Apply the garlic paste directly onto the affected nail. Let it sit for about 30 minutes, then rinse it off. After drying the nail, apply the tea tree and coconut oil mixture to the nail. Ensure you get it into the nail bed and under the nail as much as possible. The garlic paste can be applied daily. The tea tree and coconut oil mixture can be applied 2 to 3 times daily. The apple cider vinegar soak can be done every other day. It is important to remember that nail fungus can be a stubborn little bugger. Consistency is key. It can take several weeks to several months before noticing a difference, depending on the severity of the fungal infection. How does it work? Tea tree oil contains terpenin 4-OL, which disrupts the cell membranes of the fungus, which inhibit its growth and spread, while coconut oil contains lauric acid that forms a protective barrier and helps destroy fungal cells by integrating into their lipid layer. Apple cider vinegar is acidic, and fungus doesn't like that type of environment, so it's like an eviction notice. As where garlic has allicin, which interferes with the enzyme system of the fungi, thus stopping their growth. This eventually leaves behind beautiful nails. Join us. Like, share, follow, and subscribe. New content is added often.